walking you through PlantStar 4.0. We're going to talk about operator check-in, checking out to specific machines. We're also going to talk about multi-machine idling. So you can see I've created a group of operators here. I have my drop down for my specific machines that are on my shop floor. I can check into this specific machine. So right here it shows that I've checked in, checking out, pretty self-explanatory. I can also check into multiple machines. So if you have an operator that's um, working at a group of machines, I can select a group of machines to check in. And same with the checkout process, but it shows the group of machines that I am checked into right now. So I'll check out of those machines. Another great part of PlantStar 4.0 is you can see your user action events, also your check-in periods, kind of like an attendance, see who's on your shop floor, how long they've spent at specific machines. So here's a good list of your operator check-in event periods. Multi-machine idling, pretty self-explanatory here, but I can idle select machines. So if I want to idle these two machines, I put this in idle status. If I want to end the idle, right back to end the idle here. So a quick look today inside of operator, check in, check out, and multi-machine idling inside of PlantStar 4.0. If you want to schedule a demo, we'd love to hear from you. Please visit our website for more information and to schedule a free demo with PlantStar.